Hello everyone. So here's updated Google Pay app on iOS. So let's try to install it. Its size as 232 megabytes, so you need to have some free storage. Pretty large app, relatively. Yeah, it's an updated app available on iOS, free to download, and there are cool new features like you can split the bill with the group. You can see your spendings, like analyze your spendings and expenses. You can pay friends. You can just manage your money. You can just search for any transaction. And all of these features. So to sign up, you will need to use a fingerprint, pattern, PIN, or face to verify identity each time you open the app or make a payment. So let's try to open it up. It takes some time. But yeah, the idea, because if you're using like Google Chrome or yeah, okay, it didn't load the first time. So I'll try to restart it, and then again I just open it up, and now it loads. So you can allow notifications, and then you just follow the sign up process, enter your phone number, and then you should be good. But at the moment, as you can see, it's only available in United States, India, and I guess Indonesia. So that's that. So it only will be working with these countries at the moment. So yeah, try it out. Yeah, and as I was talking about that, like if you're using payments like in Google Chrome or like in your browser, it's saved and probably it will be synchronized with this app, so that should be pretty convenient. Yeah, leave your reviews if you tried it out, if you signed up. Why would you use it on iOS? Is it better than like Apple Pay? What are the pros and cons? And yeah, just leave your reviews in the comments below. It can help a lot of other people.